DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a new era of action, the action camera game changer. DJI, renowned for its innovative drone technology, is about to revolutionize the action camera market once again. The highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is poised to redefine what we expect from a compact, rugged camera. Packed with cutting-edge features, this device promises to capture every thrilling moment in stunning detail. A leap forward in image quality. At the heart of the Osmo Action 5 Pro is a powerful 40-megapixel sensor. This significant upgrade over its predecessor delivers exceptional image quality, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're scaling a mountain peak or diving into the depths of the ocean, the camera's ability to capture intricate details and vibrant colors will ensure your memories are preserved in the highest fidelity. Smooth, cinematic footage. Video enthusiasts will be delighted by the Osmo Action 5 Pro's advanced video recording capabilities. With support for 1080p at 240 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, you can create smooth, cinematic footage that showcases fast-paced action in slow motion. This feature is perfect for capturing thrilling sports, stunts, or simply documenting your adventures in a visually stunning way. Endless endurance. One of the most frustrating aspects of using an action camera is the limited battery life. The Osmo Action 5 Pro addresses this concern with a remarkably long battery life of up to 4 hours. This means you can capture hours of footage without worrying about running out of power, allowing you to immerse yourself in your adventures without interruption. Ample storage for your memories. Gone are the days of constantly juggling memory cards. The Osmo Action 5 Pro comes equipped with a generous 64 gigabytes of internal storage, providing plenty of space for your high-resolution photos and videos. Built to withstand the elements. Action cameras are designed to withstand the rigors of an active lifestyle, and the Osmo Action 5 Pro is no exception. It's rumored to be waterproof up to 60 meters, making it ideal for underwater photography, diving, and other water-based activities. A versatile companion. The Osmo Action 5 Pro isn't just a camera, it's a versatile tool designed to enhance your adventures. DJI is expected to offer an adventure combo, which includes the camera, a protective case, additional batteries, and various accessories to help you get the most out of your experience. Customizable for your needs. DJI is also likely to offer a range of optional accessories for the Osmo Action 5 Pro, allowing you to customize your setup to suit your specific needs. From flexible mounts and battery grips to helmet attachments and lens covers, there will be plenty of options to choose from. A new standard for action cameras. With its impressive features and rugged design, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is poised to set a new standard for action cameras.